We struggled a lot with the user interface. It was difficult for residents, owners, and managers to get in and find things and to really take full advantage within Propertyware. In Rentvine, it's very intuitive. I don't have to train somebody for 3 months on how to use the software. It's just there, it's easy to understand, and it's easy to use. I chose Rentvine because their mission statement really lines up with my mission statement, and they want to be the software that you love to use rather than just having to drudge through it. We want to be the property management company that people love to use rather than just being the lesser of evils. So their whole vision statement really aligned with our business and what we're trying to do. So we just converted our 4th franchise from another software system into Rentvine, and I would recommend it for everyone. It is a very simple process. Rentvine helps with a lot of the lifting and the importing of the information from one system to another. I did an acquisition and we converted from Appfolio to Rentvine with a 14-day lead time from acquisition to conversion, and that was about 45 days ago. It has been smooth sailing since. I would recommend a switch to Rentvine. I think that they have the best infrastructure and technology that's available in the market in management software.